Do you hear that? What is that sound? Yes, it's a bird. But what kind of bird? Oh, there it is. What kind of bird is that? Oh, there's another bird. It's a, I don't know. Oh, I want to know what kind of bird that is. Do you like to look at birds? Do you like to watch birds? Do you want to know more about birds? If so, then you need the new Atticus Bird Book for bird watchers. What kind of book is this? It's the perfect book for bird watchers. This book has a lot of information about the birds in the world. And believe me, there are a lot of birds. The Atticus Bird Book is a paper book, but also an e-book. That means you can read it like a normal book or from your phone. It is a very good idea to bring this book wherever you go. You never know when you might see an unusual bird. Someday you might see a bird that you don't know about. What should you do? Open the Atticus Bird Book, of course. Read this book to become an expert bird watcher. Soon you will know more about birds than other people. People will think you are very smart. The Atticus Bird Book. Order your book copy today and become an expert bird watcher.